Hi, I'm Neco from Baltimore, Maryland, and you're watching Music Makers on Rise Above TV. I believe in the good things coming, 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 coming. And I believe in the good things coming, 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 coming. Out of darkness, lion heart pumping, 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 pumping. Into twilight, all things running, 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 running. Where have I been? Who am I becoming? Coming, 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 coming. Deep breaths for a young man, learning, 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 learning. Take a walk with the cedars humming, cityscaping, sunset stunning. Every empty space is fitting, and every fire candle burning. I believe in the good things coming, 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 coming. I believe in the good things coming, 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 coming. Say, I am no master, I know nothing. I am no master, I know nothing. But I am a servant and I know something. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I am no master, I know nothing. Definitely still young. Built on hunger, so fucking stubborn. A lot of self-work undone. I am a witness. And I'm the one that carries all the secrets in the music, 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 music. Oh, oh. Black is night. Black is night. I'm black as night. I'm black as night. I'll tell you, black as night with a little bit of moonlight, 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 moonlight. Black as night with a little bit of moonlight, 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 moonlight. Black as night with a little bit of moonlight shining from my center within. Sharp, obsidian, smooth to the touch. I'm a dark little cinnamon man. It's part of my makeup. But now I'm on the night where it's always gonna wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Whoa. So Black as Night is a spiritual Native American. It is a message and a story and a song and a dream, and it is a connection between people because we're looking to establish common cultural grounds along with creating new traditions. That song comes from one of my brothers, Neco Williams, and it's a cover of his that I love, and I could never be more grateful for his message that he's allowed me to express here.
Thank you so much for sharing.
My pleasure.
Thank you for watching Music Makers. Like and follow at Rise Above TV for more mindful content.